companies are actually paying people to learn AI.
Some companies just want people to test. They see AI as this big opportunity.
You get to connect with mentors, industry experts, and even potential employers. A
Yeah.
lot of these opportunities don't require you to quit your job or drop out of school.
These opportunities aren't everywhere, and competition can be tough. Oh, it's 100% legit, and way more remote opportunities.
Man, I kind of want to sign up for one of these now.
Do it. Worst case, you make some extra cash and learn a cool skill.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Today's topic is honestly kind of wild. Companies are actually paying people to learn AI. Like you can literally make money while picking up one of the most in-demand skills out there.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? AI is already taking over industries, and now companies are throwing out incentives just to get more people involved.
I mean, I get why AI is popular, but paying people to learn it, that's next level. So let's break this down. Why is this happening?
All right, so here's the deal. AI is growing fast, and companies need more skilled workers, like yesterday. But instead of just waiting around for universities to catch up, they're offering incentives to get people trained fast. It's a win-win. Companies get a future-ready workforce, and people get paid to learn cutting-edge skills.
Okay, but what kind of stuff are they actually paying people to do?
So it depends. Some companies just want people to test AI models, like giving feedback on AI-generated text or labeling data for training purposes. Others are looking for people with some basic coding skills to help fine-tune AI systems. And then, of course, there are the advanced roles, like developing AI models, but those require way more experience.
Got it. So it's not just for programmers, right?
Exactly. There are entry-level gigs where you don't need deep tech knowledge. Stuff like AI tutoring, chatbot testing, even content moderation, things that help improve AI performance.
All right, here's what really caught my attention. Remote work. So are these AI gigs fully remote?
Most of them, yeah. And that's what makes them so attractive. People from anywhere can hop in, whether they're in the US, Europe, or a small town in the middle of nowhere. As long as you have internet, you can work.
That's huge. I feel like more people want flexible remote jobs now, especially since, the whole work from home shift.
Absolutely. And AI is kind of the perfect fit for remote work. You're just working with data, training models, or analyzing AI responses. It doesn't require you to be in an office.
Man, this makes me think if companies are throwing money at this, more people are probably jumping in, right?
Oh, for sure. AI isn't just for tech nerds anymore. Students, freelancers, even people in completely different careers are getting into it. They see AI as this big opportunity, whether it's for earning a side income or future-proofing their careers.
Yeah, I've seen people with zero coding background getting into AI just because they know it's the future.
Exactly. It's like if you missed out on the early days of the internet or crypto, AI feels like that next big wave. People don't want to miss out again.
All right, let's talk about the benefits. Why would someone want to get paid to learn AI instead of, I don't know, just taking an online course?
Oh, man, this is where it gets interesting. First, there's the obvious one, financial support. College and boot camps can be crazy expensive. So getting paid to learn instead, that's a game changer.
Yeah, no student loans, sign me up.
Right? And second, it's all hands-on experience. You're not just watching videos, you're actually working with AI in real-world applications. That's something most courses can't offer.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Instead of just reading about AI, you're actually doing it.
Exactly. And that makes you way more valuable when you're job hunting later.
You know what's cool about this? It actually removes the risk of learning something new. A lot of people hesitate to get into AI because they think, what if I spend all this time learning and it doesn't pay off? But here you're literally making money while learning.
That's such a good point. Normally, you'd have to invest months, maybe even years before seeing any return. But with this, you're already getting something out of it from day one.
And let's not forget about networking. When you're involved in a paid AI program, you're surrounded by professionals in the field. You get to connect with mentors, industry experts, and even potential employers.
Yeah, and those connections are super valuable. A lot of AI jobs don't even get posted publicly. It's all about who you know. So just being in these programs can open doors.
Also, think about how this can build your resume. Imagine applying for a job and saying, I got paid to train AI models and work on real projects. That's going to stand out way more than just saying, well, I took an online AI course.
Exactly. Companies love hands-on experience. They don't just want people who know AI. They want people who've actually worked with it.
And bro, another underrated benefit, confidence. Like when you're actually getting paid to do something, you stop feeling like an imposter. You realize, wait, I'm actually good at this.
Oh yeah, imposter syndrome is real. But the moment someone's willing to pay you for your skills, it hits differently.
One more thing, flexibility. A lot of these opportunities don't require you to quit your job or drop out of school. You can do them in your spare time. So it's like a side hustle and a learning experience in one.
Yup, whether you're a student, a freelancer, or someone looking to switch careers, this is one of the best ways to break into AI without making a full-time commitment right away.
And let's be honest, getting paid to learn something is way more motivating than just doing it for free. It gives you a reason to stick with it instead of quitting halfway through.
100%. It's the difference between saying I should learn AI and I need to show up and get this done. And that's how real skills get built.
All right, so this all sounds amazing, but what's the catch? There's got to be some downsides, right?
Oh yeah, for sure. First off, availability. These opportunities aren't everywhere and competition can be tough. The best gigs get snatched up fast.
Makes sense. If companies are paying, people are going to flood in.
Exactly. And the other big thing, skill level. Some of these gigs are super beginner friendly. But if you want to move up, you need real AI knowledge. Things like machine learning and programming aren't something you just pick up overnight.
Yeah, I guess at some point you got to actually put in the work to level up.
Exactly. So if someone's thinking of getting into this, they should start with entry-level AI tasks, build some experience, and then work their way up.
All right, bottom line, do you think this whole get paid to learn AI thing is actually a legit trend or is it just a phase?
Oh, it's 100% legit. AI isn't going anywhere, and companies need skilled people. I say we're just at the beginning of this wave. In the next few years, I bet we'll see even bigger incentives, more structured learning programs, and way more remote opportunities.
Man, I kind of want to sign up for one of these now.
Do it. Worst case, you make some extra cash and learn a cool skill.
All right, this has been a solid breakdown. But before we go, quick heads up, we're working on some tutorials about how to actually get started with these paid AI learning gigs.
Yup. We'll show you where to find them, how to apply, and what skills you need. So if you're interested, make sure you don't miss it. And of course, hit that subscribe button, follow the podcast, and we'll catch you next time.